Today I have a very special guest. Guest starring Megan. Hello. She's gonna help me paint because what do I not want to do any more of? Painting. So we discovered that this lovely ceiling grid is off-white. So now we have to paint the ceiling grid white. So she's gonna paint the walls while I start the grid, and then we're probably gonna switch because it's gonna get tedious and probably tiring painting up. So see how this works. Also don't know if you can put ceiling paint on metal. So we're gonna find that out as well. It's either gonna look good or bad. Here we go. Megan also found out how to put on the can spout. Oh my god, I forgot. This thing, if you watched my how to paint kitchen cabinets and counter video, which I'll link below, you know that I struggled and never got this thing on, but she got it on with ease. So, yay Megan. Here we go. Only high fashion here.
Target. Okay, I'm starting.
I'm starting the ceiling. Maybe. This roller's too big for the pan. Love that.
Oh.
Jesus. It's a mess. We're a mess. Alright, here we go. Let's see how this works. I'll start right in the middle. Yes, this pole was 100% necessary.
Oh yeah. What?
Right in my mouth.
Did it really?
Yeah.
In your mouth?
Oh, look at this when you have to go over there. There
you go.
Pole life. Almost falling to the face. Okay. Calm down. This is a serious place of business. Nice. Ta-da! First pass. Let me just show y'all what I mean by this is off-white. So this is paint ceiling white. Let me just put a coat on. Look at that. Gross. Look at that difference. This will be worth it, right?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Okay, good. This is the part I don't want to do.
Trim?
Yes. True friendship. We're going to attempt, oh, she's hiding, to move all of this big furniture by ourselves. Because we are strong, independent women.
Sure.
Who need no man. Oh my god! Oh my god! Are these nailed down? This is a joke.
I gotta put my hair up.
This is a joke.
Let me like.
Okay. What is this?
Oh my god.
There's more shelving? Oh my god.
So this wasn't against the wall the whole time. You have like a whole
There's so much more space back there.
wall.
Okay.
Where are we putting it? Oh yeah, in the middle. Are you picking it up or just dragging it?
Yeah, walk it like I'm talking. Okay. Sweat. I'm sweating profusely.
I will literally pee. said, let me depend on what you're doing.
Yeah. Yep. We just need a strong woman.
A strong woman. Not heavier. So she feels like it's.
Go. Oh, the thing. Hold on. Wait. Stop. Ready? Go. Baby steps. Oh my god.
Okay, ready?
Okay, yep. This is so much.
We have to turn my way this way.
Yeah, okay. And go.
I need some milk. Remember that? I think it's not gonna fit.
It's not gonna fit. Those are too big. Oh my god.
Let's just do one bookshelf and the TV stand.
Yeah.
That's really big.
Yeah, that's huge. This thing is hiding behind here.
What are you gonna do with that?
I don't know. Oh my god. It's so long. It's the whole wall. Oh. I don't even know where to go at this point. This one's sandwiched in here. Oh, okay.
Vertical?
Slide.
Where are you gonna put it?
I don't know. I think at this point, do we just move it up? Squeeze back there?
We have to move it like up.
Yeah. We gotta get this one out first then. Lord. Get out of that. I know I said I'm sick and tired of painting, but you know what's worse than painting? Taping. As much as I hate it, I'm gonna take the time to tape, so. So quick update, we're going to go install the ceiling tile. I'm very excited to see how it looks. I know it's gonna look good. I'm a little nervous about the size since we did mess up the first time around and had to trim everything. We double checked, triple checked this time, but still nervous. So as long as it fits, it's gonna look good. So I'm not gonna waste time talking. Let's go do it. It.
Wow,
Yeah,
nice.
that looks really good. Wow. Nice.
Oh, that's nice.
That's it. Nice.
You like it?
You mean amazing?
Amazing, yes. This
Cut
is
it.
perfect though, how they all line up. Like you don't even see the grid now.
Barely, right?
But
Well,
the
like
grid looks
I
good.
told Angie in the future she could put molding over it to make it look nicer if you want.
No, this looks good.
The ceiling is officially done, so here is the final look.